Hello, I'm Preston McCauley and welcome to AI Quick. Today I'm going to be showing you some examples of how to use large language models in unique, fun, and exciting use cases. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright, so let's get started. So the other day I woke up and I was thinking about a new AI experience for word searches. So I've seen them, you all know what they are, so I wanted to do a little bit of a practical example of how this could work. So first of all, when you think about a word search, there's a topic, and there's typically a whole bunch of letters that are generated, and the topic and the words are interspersed throughout it. So to do this, I have used a combination of LiteLM, which is a framework that you can use to kind of speak really quickly to many different local LLMs. But you could also use just as much. You could switch in a GPT, an OpenAI model. You could also use Mistral. You could use any of the models to get this to work, because the core component is really understanding how to build the structures around it. So if we look here at the code, I have some Python code. It's really the quickest way to do some of this. Python code is going to actually generate the word search itself. So I had that working first in testing. It took me about hour, 2 hours or so to build out that code structure. Once I was confident with that, the pieces that I had to figure out were the ways that I could plug in topics as well as generate the words and base it and generate kind of a pithy little sentence. So if you look here, now you can actually see I built a simple terminal interface just to interact with this, and I created Infinite AI. So just a few lines of code within LiteLM. I structure the outputs so I can ask the user for a topic, any topic that they want to generate their word search on. Then I give me words that might be associated with that. I return those back to the terminal. As you can see here, you can look at these topics, and then I pass that into my code, which will generate an image. I add a header, a footer. So really all I'm doing, this is a perfect use case for an LLM because it does great with topics and categorizations and categories, and just like that, I can create word searches for any type of thing that I could potentially want to. And that's it. So I hope this example shows you and gets you thinking about new fun ways to use these LLM systems.